Welcome to Dr. Chloe's Curiosity Clinic.
Hello, curious minds! Today we have a sweet question from one of our viewers, Bo. He's wondering how jelly beans are made. Well, Bo, get ready for a delightful journey into the world of jelly beans. Let's dive in. Jelly beans start as a simple mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and starch.
Yep, it's like a sweet and chewy potion.
This mixture is heated and then poured into bean-shaped molds.
It's like taking a hot bath, but for jelly beans.
After they cool, the jelly beans are coated with a sugary shell and polished to perfection.
Shine bright like a jelly bean star.
But wait, there's more! Each jelly bean is flavored with delicious syrups and natural flavors. Once they're flavored and coated, the jelly beans are ready to be packaged and enjoyed by kids and adults alike.
Hooray! It's time to spread some sweet smiles.
So, Bo, that's how jelly beans are made. A magical process that brings joy to candy lovers everywhere.
Thanks for the question, Bo. I hope you enjoyed learning about jelly beans as much as we did.
Oh, and before we go, did you know there are 3 Jelly Belly factories? They're located in Fairfield, California, North Chicago, Illinois, and Rayong, Thailand. I even visited the one in Fairfield with my kids. You can see the entire production process there. They're very welcoming to all tourists. So, if you live near any of the factories, why not visit and explore this sweet adventure firsthand? Until next time, keep those curious questions coming, and remember to stay sweet.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in Candyland.